एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लाए हैं। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलें, ताकि अगर हम कोई भी वीडियो डालें तो आपको उसका अपडेट मिलता रहे। वीडियो को अंत तक देखिएगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो एक लाइक और कमेंट ज़रूर करिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज जो हम आपके लिए टॉपिक लाए हैं वो है एक्सचेंज मार्केट एंड एक्सचेंज रेट। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Market in which we can trade one kind of money for another are called currency market or foreign exchange market. The price at which you trade one currency for another is called exchange rate. An exchange rate is the value of one nation currency versus the currency of another nation or economic zone. Exchange market. The foreign exchange market is an over-the-counter OTC global marketplace that determines the exchange rate for currencies around the world. Participants are able to buy, sell, exchange, and speculate on currencies. Currencies are always traded in pairs, so the value of one of the currencies in that pair is relative to the value of other. This determines how much of a country's currency A country B can buy and vice versa. The value of a country currency depend on whether it is free float or fixed float. Free floating currency are those whose relative value is determined by free market forces such as demand and supply relationship. A fixed float is where a country governing body sets its currency relative value to other currency, often by pegging it to some standards. Function of foreign exchange markets. Functions are transfers, credit function, and hedging functions. So let's talk about the kind of foreign exchange market. Spot market. Spot market refer to the market in which the receipts and payment are made immediately. Generally, a time of 2 business days is permitted to settle the transactions. Spot market is of daily nature and deal only in spot transaction of foreign exchange. Forward market. Forward market refer to the market in which sale and purchase of foreign currencies settle on a specific future date at a rate agreed upon today. The exchange rate quoted in forward transaction is known as the forward exchange rate. How does the exchange market work? Currency trading is a 24-hour market that is only closed from Friday evening to Sunday evening. But the 24 hours trading session are misleading. There are 3 sessions that include the European, Asian, and the United States trading session. Currencies traded in various sized lots. The micro lot is 1000 unit of a currency. What moves currency? An increasing amount of stock traders are taking interest in the currency market because many of the forces that move the stock market also moves the currency market. One of the largest is supply and demand. When the world needs more dollars, the value of the dollar increases, and when there are too many circulating, the price drops. Other factors like interest rate, new economic data from the largest country, and geopolitical tensions are just a few of the events that may affect currency prices. Exchange rate. Exchange rate is the price of one currency in terms of another currency. Exchange rate can be either fixed or floating. Fixed exchange rates are decided by the central bank of a country, whereas floating exchange rates are decided by the mechanism of market demand and market supply. So talks about types of exchange rate. First is fixed exchange rates. The rates that are directly convertible towards the other currency are called fixed rate. Also, in case of a different currency, there is a currency board arrangement where it is backed by the domestic currency against one-to-one foreign reserves. Floating exchange rate. The most common regime today that is adopted in most countries are floating exchange rate. Mostly use yen, dollar, euro, and British pound are the different types of currency that fall under this category. Factor affecting exchange rates are balance of payment, interest rate level, inflation factor, physical and monetary policy, government market interventions, economic strength of a country. Determination of exchange rate. The balance of payment theory simply holds that the exchange rates are determined by the balance of payment, connoting demand and supply position of foreign exchange in the country concerned. According to the balance of payment theory, the demand for foreign exchange arises from the debit items in the balance of payment, whereas the supply of foreign exchange arises from the credit items. So let's talk about the theory. The theory states that the equilibrium rate of exchange is determined at a point where the demand for and the supply of the country currency are equal, shown in the above figure. In this figure, point D is the foreigner demand curve of the currency of the country. It shows that when price of the currency in term of foreign currency, that is rate of exchange, is low, demand for the currency is high, and vice versa. Point is this: S is the supply curve of a currency with foreign exchange market. Its supply rises with price. PM is the equilibrium rate of exchange given OM demand and supply. So that's all about. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment. If you have any query, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.